breakaway.
Alright. Had to send it. I wasn't anywhere. Okay, let's go. Little ride into Grandma and Grandpa's house, July 2021. Gotta find Zach somewhere. Good to go?
Yeah.
All right, where are we going?
Oh.
Maybe I'll lead. See ya. Ready to go? Let's go.
Beaver dam more than likely below, and
Holy cow.
legitimately there's one starting that is running the road, and they put in new culverts over there and they're completely clogged with mud.
Really?
Yeah, we might be able to get over there, but
tell you what, let's do this. Let's pull the dam for Grandpa, and then see if we can work some of the water around so it goes through the culvert to clean out the mud.
yeah, there's at least 2 dams.
Is it really?
Yeah, well, there's one right here actually that's being started and worked on, and then the bridge got washed out, so there's 2 ruts on either side of the culverts, and they dammed that up, and then there's more than likely another one down yonder.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that stinks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think Grandpa's going to be too happy about that.
Yeah.
All right, maybe we'll come back later on tonight with the fork and clean that out. Maybe after dinner.
I'm alright with that.
Okay. Well, that's a fun little climb.
I think we can do this climb without affecting the hang too.
You think so?
I looked at it.
Okay.
I'd like you to look at it. I already hit the climb, but
Yeah, go ahead and hit it. I'll follow you. Frog. Careful we don't harass them. I think that's a mom. Ooh, a little baby.
bunch of them.
Let's give them a little space. Where do you want to go?
Not that way. We will affect paying that way. It's the whole way to the trees over there, so let's go back this way.
Okay.
that little loop.
It's a fun little loop.
Yep.
I feel like I conquered that place where I sent it and kicked it out.
Oh yeah.
So
That's slidey. Like you can almost drift up the hill.
I know, it's slippery. Yeah. What are you hitting that in, 1 or 2?
1.
1, okay.
Everything here in 1. There's nothing big enough for 2.
Cool. All
I'd
right.
like to find something big enough for 2, but I haven't yet.
Nah, better. Hey, I haven't ridden in a couple months, man.
Neither have I.
Let me get in the groove. All right.
For a couple hours.
Yeah, you get a couple hours on me.
Yeah. You want to head up that way? Or you want to keep messing around here?
Keep in mind, we've got a limited time, right?
Yeah, so I've ridden everything. What do you want to ride?
Let's do this loop twice and go the way you just pointed.
Gotcha.
Right behind you.
That's a fun fast loop, like on the throttle fast.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I had to stop. I couldn't find my back brake in there. I thought I broke it off.
Salt ash, right?
Yeah. Then we had to head back.
I was making sure I knew the mountain name. I forgot it until just an hour ago.
Oh, okay. Good memory.
Been a year and a half.
Grass is slippery.
Yeah, it's rained.
What kind of grass is that? That ain't no bluegrass.
That was a pretty smooth slide though.
You like that?
Yeah.
I wish I could say I did that on purpose. Whew. Power slide to the extreme. Wonder what I broke. Let's check. What did we break?
Nothing.
Nothing.
That's how you know you got a bike, whenever you can slide it that far, that quick, and not break anything.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Man.
I was 4th, 5th gear. I've been up this once or twice, and then I look back and you were right behind me.
Yeah, I was 3rd.
Yeah.
I was 2nd and 3rd actually.
One thing is I don't run up to rev limiter. I run the next gear before I hit rev limiter.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay.
We stopping here?
Turning
around here, I mean.
Yeah, we probably should. Hey, check it out. What did I tell you back at the house about elbow pads?
I've slid 4 times as far without any.
Look at all the mud. That would be mud. That's what I ground on as I was sliding. So, not a bad idea. One less thing to worry about so you can concentrate on fun.
Uh-huh.
All right, yeah, let's run up to Mount Tabor, turn around, call it, park them,
Gotcha.
Grab some dinner. We don't want to be back there late. They'll get upset.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Slip sliding away. Slip sliding away. hit it.
See that dog still alive?
But Doug.
The one that lives up at that house up there.
Yeah, the husky.
Scared the crap out of me.
Did you really?
I was sitting up there looking at cows. I was sitting up here looking at cows waiting on something, probably you. And I look over and it's standing there right on the corner of the house staring at me.
Like a wolf.
Yep.
Spooky.